this. Look at that beautiful fall. We're gonna go down and get a bigger view of it. Hey honey, come back here. We're gonna get a better view of that. There's a better picture you can get of it. So what's going on, you guys? It's your boy, Skullman here with your boy, A-Scammer there. And Dr. Adam. Remember to always wear your mask. Coronavirus. Bring him back on. Dude, we need to walk down there. That would be awesome. We need to walk down that. Go ahead.
Remember, wear your mask. Social distancing, 6 feet, motherfucker. 6 feet.
6 feet?
There you go, 6 feet.
Alright, y'all ready? Come on, this isn't all you're gonna see. Y'all acting like this is all you're seeing of it. Oh, this is cool. Phil, we gotta go. We gotta go urban exploration. We gotta go urban explore. Not responsible for accidents. Oh man. As you can see, Brandon's the first one in. Me and Phil over there. Hey kid. Hey Scammer. You good, bro?
Yeah, brown beneath this thing.
Dude, this is so awesome.
Look down.
Oh my God, yes, you can. Watch.
Accidents that may occur in this building.
Watch your step. There's pieces of the floor missing.
As you can see, we can watch our step. There's pieces of the floor missing. It's all Josh's fault.
That is awesome. Look at that.
Yeah. Well, watch your step, and if anything starts creaking, don't fuck you.
That is awesome. Look at all this old stuff. Are you getting it from my light?
Yep.
Dude, that is cool. I'm gonna go follow Brandon. That is awesome over there. All this. Hey, honey, watch your step. Wow. This is some really old stuff.
This is all real wood too, like from that time period.
Yeah, I know. Hey, Brandon, you good up there? Don't fall through. All this is so awesome. Okay, that you just gotta do it for the camera, didn't you? You had to do it for the camera, didn't you? Eva with her. Going upstairs.
Baby. Alright, we're going up the stairs now. There you go.
Oh, this is awesome.
Hey, you got an old,
Honey, come up here.
you got an old-fashioned saw blade up here. Look at that.
That is cool. Look at that.
Let's see if you got a hand
My
on it.
grandpa had one like that.
As you can see, guys, this is my new
Watch
home.
this. Watch this. That's not steady. Oh, there's an even bigger upstairs? Oh, we gotta go up there. It says do not touch.
And don't touch.
Oh, this is awesome.
Old farm equipment, as you can see. Wagon wheel.
Right?
Old barrel.
Wagon condition and appreciation for
All this-
so many efforts and support of the numerous district projects. Special mention for its dedication to the initiation and completion of the historic restoration of Dunn's Falls.
Wow. When was this? Probably early 1980s, 90s or something, huh?
It's not Gravity Falls, it's Dunn Falls.
It's Dunn's Falls, yeah.
Hey, there's a pretty good view out this way.
There you go.
Hey, I'll be the test dummy for today.
Hey, we got people. Hey, there's people down
I know. There's people down there swimming. Oh my God, this is actually, you get a beautiful view of just the waterfall if you can zoom in enough right here.
I want to take a picture of the view, but I don't want to take a picture of that drive.
No. I'm going up here. This is probably a no-go. Phil, you want to come up with me?
Now, hold on.
You already know I'm coming up. You don't even got it. You didn't even ask me because you already knew
I'm
I
going
was-
with the light, so we're waiting on Ace over here. Oh my gosh. Please be careful, you guys. This is the attic.
That's actually kind of creaky.
This is
I'm already getting vibes from this attic.
Oh boy.
This is what I'm talking about. This is urban exploration at its best.
This is what asbestos is.
Asbestos. Look at this. Old-timey machine.
I wish we knew what this shit was.
I wish
And
so
then
too.
a modern day beer can right there.
Oh my god, it is.
People's got no respect, I swear.
Well, at least we know we're not the only ones who've been up here. It's hot up here, though. I want to get to that window over there.
He rises, that's how it is.
Oh, please be careful. You guys, do not do this stupid shit I am doing. Look at that. There's a literal hole.
Yeah.
Board
See that?
missing right there.
There's a board missing there, there, and there.
Oh,
and there too.
There's enough to support Ace's weight though, so we stay back here.
Man. One step at a time, that's all I'm saying.
right? It definitely does rise. It smells like that sauna we go to. Oh, that is really worth it. That is worth it. Look at this. Look at this.
I wonder if I can slide my hand out there. Oh, hey, can we take this down? What's that?
No.
It looks like glue. No, it's nailed it. Never mind.
Yeah, look at all of this. Oh my god, that's beautiful. That is awesome. Cool. You want me to get it? Here, hold my camera. Hold my camera.
Oh shit, look out, there was a wasp there.
I'm fine. Without it.
Whoa, do not drop my phone. You got it?
Yeah. Are you recording?
No.
You're all recording.
Or I guess I am now. Yeah, that should be good. Go ahead and take it back in. You're making me nervous. Oh boy, we got a wasp. There you go. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Yeah, let's get out of here. Time to get out.
Yeah, time to move. Get going.
Come here, take it.
Swap.
Swap. Move!
Yeah, everybody get the fuck out of here.
There's a wasp nest.
Yeah.
We're out. We're disturbing it. Shit.
Oh yeah. I'm glad they didn't sting us because
Those fuckers would have hurt.
all over there.
They would have hurt bad.
Yeah.
Woo! Did you even get a good camera angle of it?
Yeah, I just looked to the left and I saw a wasp flying over there and I just saw the whole nest and I just went, oh shit! And then you look
Good God.
And it's just like, yep, time to go.
Time to dip.
Dude, that was like 2 nests. That wasn't just 1.
No.
2 or 3 nests.
Whew.
That was a borderline.
Where did he go?
Right over here.
Right over here.
Huh?
So there's a nature trail down that way that we could go. Or we could just go see the falls.
If we want to go down there, why don't we go get our swimsuit?
Where's the wagon wheel? There's literally, if you go down the falls.
Hey, we haven't finished with the house. There's an underside to it.
Yeah, come on. This is it. So this everything of this is from 1989. This is an old wagon wheel where it used to flow down the river, and that used to power everything here. Literally. Used to power everything here. Keep out, son. Okay, well, I'm gonna keep out. But there's the underside of the house. So that right there, that probably would have been like the power generator where all of this would have moved just from the waterfall right there. The gear from the waterfall would move all of this, power it all the way up here, and then power everything from just that right there.
That would be how it would work.
And there's a modern day rim for you.
That's an old rim. That's an old school rim, actually.
That's probably when they first started dabbling with aluminum. Or trying to shape stuff.
They were still using steel probably.
Watch your step, guys. Don't fall.
Watch your step. Swimming not recommended.
Don't worry, YouTubers. I'll hold your hand through this. Come on. There you go. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. I'm so proud of you.
This is a bit of a set now.
Oh, that's a beautiful view right there.
Look at this beautiful view right here.
Right here.
There's no lifeguard on the duty.
So,
The lifeguard on duty. Swim at your own risk.
I don't completely trust it.
So there's more falls to this place than just this, believe it or not. The trails takes you all the way down to Waterfall, and you could actually float down it all the way up to here, it looks like.
It looks like there's a little trail.
Off this way. Recommended though. Don't try, don't be stupid like us. Now, where the real stuff is going to happen, what I really want to capture on camera is this. Not me, walking. Yeah, it is pretty low though. So.
Yes, but I think that kind of makes it relaxing.
Oh, it's like there's like a oily kind of look to it right now. That's beautiful. So that's all the way downstream. If there's a dog in here, there's probably no alligators. But this is the beauty right here. Dunn's Fall. Why did I wear my shoes? You told me. Wear boots! Wear boots! Do not do what I did. I actually forgot my combat boots.
Ooh. It really is.
Wow, that is a beautiful view. All beautiful 1080p of it.
I'll give Mississippi this. The one thing I love about it more than anything is the nature.
Y'all ready to get down there?
Why are we going to go down there now?
Y'all want to go swimming?
We don't have swimming suits on. The only way to go is Devo. I mean, Devo, you want to go swimming?
Did you bring your swimsuit?
Who's got a swimsuit?
I thought you said you brought your swimsuit.
I've got it in the car. I didn't know we were actually going swimming.
Y'all want to walk down the trail?
It looks very, very low, so I'll just get a wet over.
Yeah, it's a little crowded here. Why don't we wait till the next place?
Yeah, you're right. Y'all want to go down a nature trail or something?
Sure. Why don't we check that out?
Hello, beautiful nature trail. We're not going to go too far down the nature trail because we're on a time period, but we will go down.
and we're walking, YouTubers, back up the steep hill. Come on, YouTubers.
And there's our little narrator for today, I guess. The OK YouTubers Guide is what we're calling him.
I'm the perfect YouTubers guy. Remember, YouTubers, HM is the sexiest YouTuber you know.
Uh-huh.
Down the nature trail we go. Josh doesn't know how to walk in nature, so I'll teach him.
I know how to walk in nature.
I know.
Hey, is that the trail to the Boy Scout home?
I'm not sure. This is my first time here.
Y'all took a left at the fort?
Right there by the bridge, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we took a left right there by the bridge. and just coming down this way. We were trying to go down a little nature trail.
There's also a trail right here.
Is there?
Yeah. Because that leads down to the beach.
It leads out through it, but it's not kept up too well.
Here, let me see.
Come on, urban explorers, let's go.
This is not urban exploration.
Regular exploration.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship.
Trip's over, there's nothing here.
I can make a pass, let's go.
You really want to climb that mountain? We should. Well, not mountain, but hill.
Yeah, no, we're not doing that. Let's go back. Well, Eva's going back. Eva looks like she's going back to the... Eva, where are you going? Well, I don't know where Eva's going, so we're going to pause the video here.
Awesome. Honestly, I was thinking about that. You know, I was thinking the exact same thing. I was like, man, I kind of wish I could just take a shower into the water. Really, those things are really good.
Oh my God. Honey! Make sure there's no spiders in my hair. No more spider webs on me. On my camera. Good God.